Okay, what's today's date? Today is the 17th. Yesterday marked the 30th anniversary for the Million Man March in DC, led by the Honorable Louis Farrakhan and some other religious leaders throughout the country. Uh, what impact, if any, is it like, bro? Your ad lib,
Cause
you
you
can't.
answered your own question, if any.
So you saying when I was listening to the remakes, I was like, damn, bro, that would be dope. And then I was just like, but what did it produce? Just like that.
A Netflix premiere. That's
It
all it
ain't
was.
even on Netflix. This one reboot from YouTube type action. Damn, but we all they did get together. Was you out in '95? You was locked up.
I was locked up.
Okay, you was locked up. I was on the way to being locked up. Do you see any significance in uh
Man, look, honest, I don't see no significance in half the stuff black folk do. They just be cause don't none of it make sense and it don't help the situation.
okay, so let's list off these things. Protesting,
What you accomplish protest?
photo opportunities.
Yeah, that's you hit the nail on the head because
I just don't it just don't work, bro. I don't believe it. It just it's so
ain't
redundant.
you can march all day. I try to to make it simple for people that had a lack of understanding of something serious. I try to make it in like to I minimize like you said a protest.
Hmm.
People marching in the street trying to get something done. Go in the bushes, find a part of this snake, a cobra. You think 10 people standing around here gonna stop him from biting you?
No.
No, so you got to cut his head off.
Okay.
All that marching stuff, they go out there and cut his head off. People understand when they know fear.
Yeah.
Fear and respect go hand in hand.
Same thing, man.
Same thing, yeah. If you're scared of it, you respect it.
So what you saying is, in short, if the people are not in a position to go all the way, ain't no need for you
There
going.
ain't no need of going. And the
What?
biggest thing in America is dollars.
Okay.
Stop spending money.
Man,
Everything changed and people just don't get it.
can we organize? Will we ever get organized to
It
do
ain't
that?
even about black or white. It ain't about black people. It's about people in general.
Hmm.
Because white people and black people, you go in an all rich Buckhead neighborhood right now full of white folk.
Hmm.
I bet that gas station still owned by Arab.
That I don't understand.
That's what I'm saying. It could be white or black. They pit the white and black against each other, but at the end of the day, all the foreign people get all the grant tax free. Ain't no white dude in no Buckhead owning no Chevron. I don't care how much money he got. And ain't down in the hood, ain't no black man in the hood owning no Chevron
Or a beauty salon.
at
I
all.
mean, the beauty supply store.
Yeah, so you got a couple of black beauty supply stores, but they're not making the money that the Asian people are making because black people don't know how to work together for one.
You think that's it?
I know this for a fact. I know a couple of Asians that own like nail salons and stuff like
Yeah.
that. You know, anytime you buy a supply, buying bulk is cheaper. All 10 of them people in Clayton
Oh,
County, they order all their stuff together. One of them out of 10 shops, they going to order all their stuff at one time. They going to come to this one store. They buy it in bulk. And
damn.
then all the other shops come get their stuff off the truck. But black people, they got to go find their own place. This black shop will go order. This black shop will go order. So their stuff is going to be higher versus the other nationalities. They buy in bulk and they get a cheaper price.
So if you could organize or collectivize these black entrepreneurs or places of bid or entities, then it'll be a better situation. Not just with beauty supplies, but in other elements. I wonder what other secrets that they have. Because for me, I don't understand how it would change our community if we just bought beauty supplies from ourselves.
Yeah,
It would change. It would literally change the texture of our community.
they tricked us into thinking home ownership make you somebody.
That's it. Don't, bro.
But people don't understand that. The average person you talk to, They be on Facebook. How many Indians and Chinese you see on there with a sign? They just bought their first house. They don't care about all that. They don't care about all that because they gonna hide their sign because they just bought 5 houses because they put their money together and they gonna sell all the houses to all the black people. But they can do this shit here.
Yeah.
See that's the difference. We idolize just letting people know we got it. That's our thing. Like I said, I can get a shirt right, this shirt right here.
Mm-hmm.
I can take all this off and just put BJ on that motherfucker.
Mm-hmm.
Let that price tag hang for 500. Somebody gonna get it and post it just to show somebody they can get it.
Mm.
And the shirt be a damn Fruit of the Loom shirt at the end of the damn day.
Okay, so there was a strategy, a marketing technique back in the 50s and 60s that showed white entrepreneurs or businessmen how to market to black people. It's one of the reasons we have. They was convinced that we like shiny shit,
Yes.
and I want to disagree with them so bad, but
You can't. It's right there. That's how we like shiny shit.
they say, and the Negro wants to feel good about themselves, and the way that they do it is the way that they look. So you can go up on certain clothing, you can get in trouble.
No, that's my home.
Uh, they go up on certain clothing that is appealing to our race. And I said, damn, if this is working in the 50s, it's 2025. The same strategies is still working. Why aren't we waking up?
No, I'm finna make the interview interesting.
Come on with it.
Bling bling that.
Yeah.
All plastic. All plastic.
Huh?
Yeah.
Go on here, man.
Man, what?
Man, you be in a strip club.
Man, look. The thing is, I can make it look good because I got the mouthpiece.
You lying too. That ain't no more. That ain't no.
It ain't none of this real, dude. Only thing real like right now me talking. See, that's the thing. Everybody, what I look like walking.
Ocho Cinco be doing the same thing.
But what I look like walking down the street, and a nigga tap me on the shoulder.
Yeah.
Man, let me see if that chain real. Who gonna know it's real or fake? Who's gonna know? Who cares? See what I'm saying? Who cares? Ain't nobody got. I'm 50 years old. You ain't got no business to come to me ask me, is my jewelry real? You ain't got to ask me. Huh? Oh no, that was you supposed to spray that shit on that well don't turn, nigga.
You know, I know about 4 people that be doing it.
Yeah. Nigga, half the celebrities you see out here with all that good stuff, that is advertisement stuff. They ain't bought this stuff. Cause they ain't finna buy it. They ain't finna buy it.
That's, yeah, bro. See, I ain't no jewelry man, but there in my mind, I'm just like,
See that. I told the black folk go for anything, dude.
damn, man. I just be wanting my people to be open. I want their eyes to be open, bro. I be thinking everybody has the ability to open or renew their mind, and I'm gonna have to live and die by that.
See, that's the thing. Everybody like you got people like me and you. We really like to help people and do things.
Right.
But when you dealing with a situation, but they ain't gonna let you help them. Like the average black person, a lot of people got in the game. They really want to help.
Yeah.
And then they see the monetary part of it. Like, these niggas go for anything.
Yeah.
I might as well get some of their money too because they ain't gonna listen to me when I try to put them up on game.
Mm.
So I might as well get some of it too. That's how I end up being. I don't care what type of hard you go in the game with. People will make you change the way you move. You got to move accordingly.
That's true. Unless you just, I listened to the governor of Philly. The guy, I can't think of his name, man, but he really seems like he has a heart for the people. He just gave Gilly, not Gilly, but his cousin a full pardon. He gave Meek Mill a pardon too. Then you know what I be wondering? Start that in my coffee.